In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide completed tasks in Microsoft Planner. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Planner. Once you are signed in, navigate to the plan you want to work in. This can be any project plan you use for your day-to-day tasks. The key is to open the plan in the main board view, where your tasks appear in columns, sometimes called buckets. When you are on the board, take a moment to look over the tasks that are already finished. Completed tasks can be useful for tracking progress, but they can also add clutter and make it harder to focus on what still needs attention. Hiding them is a simple way to keep your board clean while still keeping your completed work saved in the plan. Next, move your attention to the top area of the planner page, where the view controls and filters are located. You are going to select the option that opens the board settings or view options. This area is often represented by a small menu or a control that changes how tasks are displayed. After you open that menu, click through the available options until you find the setting related to showing completed tasks. In some layouts, you may need to select an additional option inside the menu before you see the completed tasks toggle. Take your time and watch the board as you click, because the task list will update as soon as the setting changes. Once you find the control for completed tasks, switch it so completed items are hidden. As soon as you do that, the finished tasks will disappear from the board view, leaving only the active and in-progress work visible. This does not delete anything. It only changes what you are viewing, which means you can always bring completed tasks back later by returning to the same view option and turning them on again. A helpful tip is to hide completed tasks when you are planning your week or running a status review, since it keeps your focus on what remains. If you ever need proof of completion or want to reference an older task, simply show completed tasks again, and they will reappear in the same buckets they were completed in. And that is all there is to it.